PLIDCO Riser Weld+Ends is a unique fitting in that it's used typically for offshore riser pipelines that are coming up from the seabed alongside the jacket leg on a platform. And most often in the splash zone, where the interface of the air and the water are both exposed to the pipe, there's serious and rapid corrosion that occurs in that area. And the riser Weld+End is a fitting that is a mechanical coupling where one end is fillet welded to the new riser on the barge. The bolted end then has a double row of screws, clamp screws we call them, to grip the pipe. And then there's a row of screws that actuate the seals. So this is stabbed over that stub that's sticking below the water line. The bolts are made up, then you can start your flow and get it running again.
The diver goes down and just mechanically tightens the screws and the job is done. By using the Riser Weld+Ends, you're way far ahead. Again, this allows them to just mechanically make everything up without having to weld.
The Riser Weld+Ends is something that any pipeline engineer that is dealing with riser corrosion problems, it's a tool that he wants to put in the back of his mind to remember, because it will make life easy for him when he needs to replace a section at the waterline. It's a very quick, simple solution to an age-old problem of trying to weld underwater.